In this part, I am going to discuss calorific value. What is calorific value? It is the amount of heat released when 1 gram of fuel is completely burnt in sufficient supply of oxygen. Means what? The calorific value is the amount of the heat energy that is released when 1 gram of fuel is completely burned. Is called calorific value, and every fuel has own calorific value, and it is different in different fuels, and it is measured in kilojoules for grams. In this picture, this is hydrogen in red color. You can see this picture, this is hydrogen. The calorific value of hydrogen also here. Then out of the hydrogen gas, down cake and LPG, which is a better fuel? Hydrogen gas is better fuel out of them because its calorific value is highest, that is 150 kilojoule for gram. Means the calorific value is higher of in hydrogen as compared to cow dung, cake and LPG. So hydrogen is the ideal fuel because it undergoes the following properties. Means this cylinder, this hydrogen cylinder, easy to transport, easy to handle it, the ignition temperature is also minimum, okay, as compared to other two. Next comes to burning of fuels that can affect environment. Means how burning of fuels can affect environment. Carbon fuels like coal, wood, it release a lot of unwanted carbon particle, and these particles may enter respiratory tract and cause respiratory disorder like asthma, bronchitis. Means it causes permanent death also, because it creates a poisonous gas, and when we inhale this poisonous gas, there is a health injury also and permanent death, okay. Incomplete combustion of fuels release carbon monoxide, which can cause suffocation and even death. Means when the fuels of incomplete combustion, it gives carbon monoxide. You see this picture, carbon monoxide means CO, okay, and it causes suffocation and even death. Means when a person inhale carbon monoxide, it gets suffocates with the breaths difficulty, and suddenly he died. Combustion of most fuel produces carbon dioxide in air. You know, when burn coal, then carbon dioxide gas also produced. Then increase this carbon dioxide can cause global warming. What is the global warming? It is the rise in temperature of atmosphere of Earth that can lead to melting of polar glaciers, it causing floods, etc. Means in our environment, the increase of carbon dioxide gases so increasingly, and in these cases in our earth the quantity of the carbon dioxide is increased, and this is called global warming process. Or what? Burning of coal and diesel produces sulfur dioxide gas, which can cause suffocation, and it also can lead to acid rain. Means when we diesels and coal, when we burn, then it produces sulfur dioxide, means SO2 gas, and it causes acid rain. Acid rain is a rainwater mixed with sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, producing the acid rain, and it affects soil aquatic organism and cause the monument cancer. And this can air acid rain. You will study after this chapter, okay. Then I have some questions about this chapter. First one is the Write names of substance that can extinguish the paper cup while it catches fire. Means, how can we extinguish the paper cup while it catches fire? What is the substance? What are the substance? Water, sand, and fire extinguisher. Next question. We can boil water in a paper cup while paper catches fire easily. Give reason. The answer is, we take 2 paper cups, take water in 1 cups and keep other empty. Then heat both the cups. An empty cup starts to burn, but cup with water does not burn. If we continue heating the water in cup, it starts boiling. This is because the heat supply is transferred to water by conduction. So this ignition temperature of the water is not reached. Third question is, what are the essential requirements to produce fire? Well, air and ignition temperature are necessary to produce fire. Question number 4. What is the flame? And also write colors of LPG flame and candle flame. The burning of vapor to form flame, and the LPG flame is the color is blue color, and the candle flame the color is yellow color.